In this module, we are going to talk about instability of states to maintain welfare system. Characteristics of welfare system. Although traits of capitalism are found in welfare system, but it is a mixed economy. It is characterized by the integration of capitalist and socialistic features. However, it is preferred because economic activities are dominated by government. If we see that today in the whole world, no one can say there is a purely mercantilism or purely liberalism or purely communism in any society or in any country of the world. There is a mixed economy. Even China today has a mixed economy, and it is known as market capitalism. But if we give any name to that market economy, we can say that today in the whole world, libercantilism is going on. Libercantilism is a mixture of two words, liberalism and mercantilism. Liberalism believes in free trade and non intervention of the state in the market forces, and mercantilism believes in preferring indigenously manufactured goods upon foreign goods. So, we know that each and every country intends to protect the local business and local industry. We were talking about protectionism a lot in our previous modules. So, we know that either it is a developed state or a developing state. They all want to protect the local industry and business. And they also want to go in other parts of the world and trade there for their products. So, we safely can say that today there is a mixed economy going on, and that mixed economy can be named as libercantilism, that is a mixture of liberalism and mercantilism. Welfare system is based on the principles of equality. It ensures to provide equal opportunities to all. Although privatization is there, but private corporates are regulated by government. The welfare system, which is being introduced in the global economy, it maintains that there should not be any intervention of the government. But all those corporations are managed by the government because no one can go beyond governmental authority or the state authority, because government is a tool of the state that runs those or controls the behavior of those organizations which are working within the boundary of any state. Globalization has contributed to the decline of welfare system due to following factors. Supporters of globalizations claim that social welfare curtails the autonomy of national governments. Welfare systems restrict the role of governments in the pursuit of social programs. More attention on welfare of citizens leads to ignore other important national issues. Globalization promotes capitalism, which emphasizes on accumulation of wealth and surplus. That means more profit. Spending on welfare means that government will allocate more budget for social services. Welfare system also accommodates the ones who are not productive in society, whereas contemporary globalization fosters inequality and is more inspired by social Darwinism. That means survival of the fittest.